I'm Quinn Lucas, and I've been through the Industrial Maintenance and Automation Technician program. Let's go check it out. The Industrial Maintenance program as a whole does really good about giving you a basis on lots of different things. In the machining program, we get to learn the basics of metalwork. We get to use lathes and mills, where you learn some really good skills that are really useful. We have more of the Tech Basics course, where we'll learn to work with pulleys and belts, and we'll be using bearings, and you get to use cool heat and pull bearings on and off. Right here, we have the hydraulic pneumatics section. It's one of the more challenging ones. The instructors really care, and they're really gonna help you get through any part that you find challenging. We'll also be rebuilding pumps throughout the program. I've already used the skills I learned rebuilding this Welding pump in my job, which is a great example of how all of these skills we learn you use in the workforce almost every day.
Our advisory committees give us lots of input and direction on what kind of curriculum to develop and what's going to prepare our students for the workforce. Rather than getting an introductory job, get a job with a little bit higher pay that is going to be able to turn into more of a career for them. Quinn's been able to take advantage of that quite a bit. It really landed him a really good job. I think he's really going to be able to progress and make a really good career out of that.
The placement services, they were amazing. They've found me a really great gig, and I have been more than happy at my job. It's just been amazing. So now we're more into the electrical side of the industrial maintenance program. We have a basic electrical module, motor controls, and a PLC module, programmable logic controllers. The way they teach the program is really good step by step to make sure you have a good knowledge of it. With that knowledge, you gain skills, and when you get good skills in electrical, you get a lot of confidence to be able to blow through any problem. This is what we call the PLC course, a programmable logic controller. So you'll actually plug a computer into this, and you'll get to learn how to program it on a computer, and that is what actual manufacturing lines are using in the workforce today. The last big section of the shop that we have is the welding booths. Welding was absolutely one of my favorite sections. The other would be machining. I absolutely love these. I'm a very hands-on person. I've always kind of been that way my whole life. Employers often look for students that just have a good hands-on previous experience, and then they'll sponsor you to go get certificates. Most of the programs are all about hands-on learning, super low costs. I was amazed when I moved here, and really flexible schedules. If you think any of this is super cool, I know I did, then absolutely come check out Tooele Tech. I think you guys would absolutely love it.